Okay, today we're gonna be carving a pumpkin. We're gonna name him too. Let's get right into it.
You have to like cut it at an angle. Okay, Jorji, you're gonna have to help me.
I thought that was some wasp or something.
That's a hummingbird.
I didn't know it was a hummingbird. I thought it was a fucking bee. This is pretty.
Have you ever carved a pumpkin?
Yes.
You need to gut the pumpkin.
We're gutting the pumpkin now. How do you not get scared at anything? Why can't I scare anyone? No one. That's so sad.
I get scared of praying mantises.
That makes sense. They're terrifying.
I might pop up on my window. I don't think I was scared of them before they started popping up. Here, do you want to start?
Yeah. Just reaching in there now.
You know what? Fuck. Oh my god. Oh.
I don't like that. Oh my god.
Oh. Oh.
I don't want to eat it, low-key.
But I'm pretty sure you have to cook them first. Cook them.
Cook. Cook. Cook.
Okay, I can't. I'm using the spoon. I can't.
Okay. That smells amazing. Hello? It echoes. I think we're ready to start the actual face.
No, we're really not, Jorji. We're trying to get all this stringy shit out of this pumpkin. Okay, I'm just gonna...
Carving pumpkins on my own.
Okay. I just want to make the face.
Maybe if I like scrape the insides with a knife, it'll just kind of cut it.
Yeah, I just ate that.
Wait, what?
I just ate a piece of the pumpkin.
What?
Don't eat pumpkins.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Didn't I tell you not to eat pumpkin? Oh my god, my eyes are watering. I'm gonna cry, George.
I'm already crying.
Yes. String ass bullshit. Should I wanna move? Last. We made brownies.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What are we gonna carve? Should I go grab a Sharpie?
Yeah.
This is his face.
It's not the best, but it's cute.
Good.
We're chilling. So now we're gonna carve it.
I'm struggling.
Clearly.
You're really good at this.
Thank you.
Also a little bit terrifying, but
It's alright.
it's chill.
It's not as hard as I thought.
It sounds like you're gonna break the knife. Okay, I think it's out.
Okay. Next.
I'll do the nose.
I guess you can do the nose.
Okay. Now the scary part. I'm gonna cut the teeth out first. I'm not about to fucking reach my hand in you. Try to get this out. No, don't break there. Don't break, you piece of shit.
Someone's frustrated.
No shit.
The teeth look so weak.
He could be worse. What should we name him? I feel like he needs an old man name, like fucking.
I think he looks
Hank.
like a Hank. We literally thought of the same name. Okay, it's Hank.
Poor little Hank. He's not like a great grandpa. He'll probably look like one in a couple days.
Oh my god. No. I already know I'm gonna look like Michael Jackson in that. I already know it. Like, I don't even have to like wonder. I just know it. Look, watch Michael Jackson. Ready? She's fucking Casper the Friendly Ghost. This is Hank, our child. He needs dental work. But you know, he's beautiful. He's He's a new member of the family. Stay shook.